Greenleaf State Park is the definition of a hidden gem. It is one of the original state parks built in the 30s by the CCC and the WPA. You can see the park's history outside several of their 16 cabins. Rocks placed here reflect the hard work and dedication from the people who have become part of this park's history. There's a lot to love at Greenleaf. If you have never been here, what are you missing then?
They're missing a lot if they don't pick Greenleaf. Coming out and being able to have their own space and do the hiking trails and just come out, and a lot of people are taking pictures, they're bringing their bicycles, or here behind us at the marina, they're renting boats and paddle boats and just spending a day with family and out on the lake.
For accommodations, I mentioned the 16 cabins.
Most of our cabins sleep 4. It's a queen-size bed and a pull-out couch. We do have a cabin that sleeps 8. It is cabin 20. It's got a queen-size bed, 2 sets of bunk beds, and a pull-out couch.
There's the famous cabin on the lake, a handicap accessible cabin that sleeps 6. The view from this one is intoxicating and alluring. There's also RV and tent camping, which here could be quite peaceful. Okay, so this may not be peaceful, but it sure is fun. This brand new, rather large 10,000 square foot splash pad opened June the 3rd, and it's made a really big, pardon the pun, splash with everyone.
And to our surprise, we had probably 115, 120 visitors the first Saturday that we were open. And just people love it. It's just a really nice place to go, and we're kind of out in the country here, so our local people have really supported us as well. And the kids, you can just see their face when they come in, light up, and they try to stay all day.
Even the adults go down the slides. You can play miniature golf located right next to the splash pad.
And they have triangle-shaped heads, so that's when you know they're poisonous.
The Discovery Center has a naturalist on site. She has different fun and educational activities for the kids. Other things to keep one active at the park include...
We have a volleyball court. We have a basketball net. We've got 2 nature trails. One of our nature trails is 18.5 miles in length. It's got 2 primitive campsites. Right now you cannot go past the swinging bridge, but we're hoping that it will open soon. We've got our family fun trail. It is paved for anyone. It's a 1.5 miles.
Hiking is a big draw to Greenleaf for many people, and there are those who birdwatch. But there's another big draw here, the sublime beauty of the lake and the fishing too.
Greenleaf is well known for the bass fishing, and we have a couple of local clubs that come in and do our tournaments, and then just people coming in will come out and fish the Greenleaf Lake.
More and more people are discovering Greenleaf State Park. Maybe it's time you find out why. The striking scenery, the peaceful surroundings are all here waiting on you.